Reaching out to prospective students, alumni, and potential donors can have its challenges. Your message must communicate in a way that makes your institution stand out, and in a way that your prospects do not dismiss or discard your marketing and communication agenda. Discover how custom 3D Magic Cubes can deliver your marketing message in a fun, interactive, and engaging way, and deliver your brand story as a tactile, engaging experience. As recipients unfold the 3D Magic Cube, they actively touch your brand, while the 3D Magic Cube teaches prospects about your offerings. The 3D Magic Cubes touch, teach, and connect, giving potential students or supporters a way to learn more about your educational facility. Plus, by adding a QR code, Magic Cubes connect prospects to your online content that also promotes your marketing and fundraising objectives. Always 100% designed with your own custom graphics and images, Magic Cubes create endless impressions with a fun and memorable experience on the desktop. To touch, teach, connect,